Hello guys, this is Dr. Purvesh. Welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe for more videos. And today in this lecture we're gonna see about hepatitis serological markers, right? Hepatitis serologic markers and especially for HBV virus, hepatitis B virus. Okay, so please watch this video till the end. This is very confusing topic. I hope you're gonna clear it after watching. Okay, so first of all we're gonna see about hepatitis B virus structure. Okay, so this is the structure of hepatitis B virus. Can you see this outer membrane? This is a surface, this inner red one, that is a core, and between this there is a star shaped things. Can you see this star shaped thing? That is an envelope, right? So surface, core, and this is an envelope. So when this virus enters in our body, this surface will act as a surface antigen, this core will act as a core antigen, and this star shaped small things will act as a enveloped antigen. Okay, so against these all antigens our body will produce antibodies. Okay, so we're gonna see this all antigens and their respected antibodies together, and we're gonna solve some questions regarding it. Okay, so I hope uh, you remember this surface, core, and envelope. So first we're gonna see about core. What is as HBCAG, hepatitis B core antigen? It is an antigen associated with core of HBV, as we said, right? What is anti-HBC antibody? It is an antibody to hepatitis B core antigen. If it is positive, then patient is having a hepatitis. If patient is positive with anti-HBC antibody plus IgM antibody, that means patient is having a acute infection, means recent infection, acute infection. If patient is present with anti-HBC plus IgG antibody, that means patient is having a chronic infection, means prior exposure to the infection. Now let's see about HBsAg, hepatitis B surface antigen. Now it suggests current multiplication is going on. If HBsAg is positive, that suggests current multiplication is going on. That is a surface antigen of hepatitis B virus. Now let's talk about anti-hepatitis B surface antigen surface antibody. It indicates immunity. If this is present in the serum, then it indicates immunity, right? Due to vaccination or recovery. Due to vaccination or recovery. I hope you remember this. So far we done with anti-HBC antibody with IgM acute, IgG chronic. Now let's see some question. Patient is present with HBs antigen, hepatitis B surface antigen with anti-HBC IgM antibody. That means, what is the answer? IgM suggests acute infection, and this will suggest chronic infection is going on, multiplication is going on. So let's see the answer: active acute hepatitis. Easy, right? Let's see the next question. Patient is having a hepatitis B surface antigen plus anti-HBC IgG antibody. IgG suggests chronic infection, and this will suggest current multiplication is going on. Let's see the answer: chronic hepatitis with active infection, right? Let's see the third question. Anti-HBs. What is anti-HBs? Remember, try to remember. Yes, you're right. They suggest vaccination. Okay. Fourth question. Anti-HBs IgG. IgG suggests chronic, but see there is a no active multiplication, right? So what does it mean? Anti surface hepatitis B surface and IgG antibody is present. So that means past infection or recovery, means patient is recovered now. Okay, so now let's see, we already talk about core antigen and we already talk about surface antigen. Now let's talk about envelope antigen and their antibody. Okay, so HBeAg, hepatitis B envelope antigen, it's secreted by infected hepatocyte. That means hepatocyte means liver cell, and it indicates high infectivity and poor prognosis. High infectivity and poor prognosis. Poor prognosis means less chances of recovery. If patient is having a anti-HBe antibody, that means patient is having a low infectivity and better prognosis, right? So higher chances of recovery. So far we are done with core antigen and antibody, surface antigen and their antibody, and envelope antigen and their antibody. So let's see the last question. So patient is present with HBsAg, that means current infection is going on, multiplication is going on, anti-HBc IgG, that means chronic hepatitis, and anti-HBe. What does it mean? That means, what does it mean? Anti-HBe, what does it mean? Yes, let's see. Yeah, low infectivity, better prognosis. That means patient is having a low infectivity. Let's see the answer. Yeah, the answer is chronic hepatitis with low infectivity. So I hope you're gonna understand this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.